up, YouTube? 2019 Ford Fusion. Customers complain the check engine light coming on and off. I've already scanned it. We got an O2 sensor heater circuit, bank 1 sensor 2 code, P0141. I got the sensor already. I'm going to show you how to replace it. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Now, if you had both oxygen sensor codes, like bank 1 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 2 heater codes, start looking to see if there's a blown fuse. But since we only got one bank set in it, it's pretty clear cut that it's a heater problem. It's pretty premature though for a 19, but it is a Ford. Sorry y'all if you drive one. No disrespect. They look good. I'll give them that. Now, I don't think I've done one on one of these yet, so you're going to learn while I learn. Give y'all some light here. There she is right there. The other one's way up top there, above the turbo. So I think I might take this little cover off right here. Might make it easier. 10 millimeter. Nope, no it won't. Oh, so much for that. This subframe's in the way. Put that back on. So, don't waste your time trying to do that. I'm just gonna have to be Stretch Armstrong. I probably should have unplugged it first, but whatever. Let's see if I get this bad boy on it. I might need a 3-incher here. That's what she said.
Next on In Touch, part 2 of Hungering and Thirsting for God.
Right there. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. Counterclockwise. Get on there. Yeah, they're usually pretty tight, y'all. Alright, let me get my socket off. And set this over here. Just spin it the rest of the way out with my hands. Make sure you do this with the car cooled down, by the way. I should have disclosed that earlier. You'll burn the crap out of yourself. The exhaust burns hurt. Especially on that flex pipe. You'll have that pattern embedded into your arm like a tattoo. Okay, let's pull it out of that little holder right there. Now, I guess I'm gonna have to reach over the back of the intake. Unplug it. It's going to take forever for this to come down. This lift is slow, and it's extra slow when it's cold out. Y'all bear with me. Yeah, I'm working on a Sunday. Every other Sunday I work. We're open on Sundays. Yay. But I get it. People are off on the weekends on most jobs. Mechanics are never off. Even when you're off, people are calling you. Your family, your friends that don't call you until they have something wrong with their car. You technicians know this if y'all watch my videos or my TikTok. And it's getting springtime and this pollen is killing me. I don't know if your state has this issue, but Georgia's bad about it. And everything's starting to bloom. All right, let me get my flashlight here.
He's expressing the yearning desire.
It's right there, the black connector. So just reach down there, push down on the tab. Got it out. It's secured to another little clip right here. All right. Now, here's what we're going to do.
Reminding himself of the satisfaction he has in the Lord. Do you have that kind of feeling toward God that your soul clings to Him?
What's going on with
That
it?
you long for Him, that you love Him, that you want an intimate relationship with Him, a better
When I get done with this O2 sensor, I'll go look at it.
closer to Him. Hungering and thirsting.
What kind of car is it?
It's all about being drawn.
Oh, yeah.
It's all about
Yeah, belt and tensioner. Matt was supposed to ride it up last night.
drawing toward Him, moving toward Him.
Yeah.
Learning who He is.
It's rattling from that side. It's not the timing belt. It's, yeah, you know what I'm saying. It's not that noise. It's a squeaking. Everybody needs me as soon as I'm doing a video. So, go ahead and plug this back in. See with my little headlamp here.
You feel joy. You feel sometimes as if something is shoving you toward Him. There's this longing that goes on in your heart. And I want to simply ask you, do you have any? Is God strange or is He an intimate friend? Do you have a warm, intimate, personal relationship? Can you just not get enough of Him? Or is He someone who's set on the periphery of your life?
I'm gonna secure this other one to this clip. You might not be seeing this on video. I'm sorry, y'all. It's kind of all about feel. All right. And you might be wondering why I plugged it in first. Because it's going to be a, you know what, trying to fish that wire up in there. My arm's not that long. So I'm going to show you what I do. You're probably like, oh, the wires are going to twist. But they don't twist much, and it ain't going to hurt it. I promise. But I'm going to show you a little trick I do to minimize that. On sensors like this that have that long wire. Yeah, we've been crazy busy. It's a good problem to have. Where you at, sensor? Oh man, it's way over there. Hold on. Get me some grabbies here. See if I can get that bad boy. Come here. Fool. Oh, yeah. It's fun times. Okay. Throw those back in there. So what I do is I twist it the opposite way. A few turns. Let's do that again. Boom. See, barely even twisted.
Thirsty, yearning
Ooh, that's blinding me.
relationship with him that is intimate and extremely satisfying.
So you lock her down. You put this on first. Okay. Clockwise. Just nice and snug. Secure it in that little security right there. Looks good to me, y'all. Let's lower down and reset the codes. Now the thing with heater circuit codes, when you clear them, just after a couple key cycles, that code will come right back if the car is not fixed. Those codes set pretty quick. It'll set it as a pending the first trip and as a hard code the second trip. Any day now. Good enough. So, let me get these heavy tools out of my pocket.
The word of God.
Yeah, you can't put a 22 wrench on it because that heat shield that's over it is in the way. Or a 7/8. Let's start this bad boy up. Now I'm going to clear the code, key on engine off. Let's see. Clear fault memory, yes. Now what I'll do is I'll turn the car on and off a few times. It's only got 48,000 miles and it's got a dead oxygen sensor already. Now I'll go back. It's fixed. Those, like I said, those heater codes come back really fast after a couple key cycles like I did if it didn't fix it. So we're good, y'all. You can also check your data PIDs, you know, for the heater amperage and all that if you know how to read that. Chances are, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, you probably don't, so I'm not going to get into detail on that. But anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, as always. Y'all please keep on subscribing. I've hit over 1K now. I've applied for my monetization, which hopefully they approve me. I've met all the criteria, so thanks to y'all, I'm getting further in this, and I love doing this for y'all. So y'all have a good day. Peace.